Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use gift card on Krispy Kreme application. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Krispy Kreme application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you find Krispy Kreme? Now you can find that on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Krispy Kreme and follow through the on-screen prompt to install. After installing successfully, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be asked to either log in or to sign up by creating a new account. But once you're done signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Krispy Kreme. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to use gift card on Krispy Kreme app. So from this homepage, let's go ahead and order a product on Krispy Kreme. I'm going to show you how to use the gift card from there. So check the bottom of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. One of them is order. So go ahead and click on order. Once you click on order, here you go. Start and order. So you can choose delivery or click on collect. So let's say delivery, right? Now click on this start your order button. And it takes you to this window where you're going to have to select any of the products that you want to buy. So I'm going to select this original glazed dozen because I like it, and it takes me here. So I'm going to click on add to basket button, and I'm going to see a prompt that says that I have already added it to basket. So here's it. I've already added that to basket. So check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the basket icon. So click on the basket icon in there, and that's going to take you right into the checkout page. So here you go. This is my basket, original glaze 2. That's 2. If you want to reduce the number, go ahead and use the minus icon to make it 1. So you have a discount code but now the code visitor is gift card. So go ahead and click on gift card. If you want to use a gift card, go ahead and click on gift card, and now you're gonna have to enter your 16-digit gift card code and enter your 8-digit pin. Now once you're done, go ahead and click on add gift card, and whatever amount that you have to pay is going to be deducted from your gift card. Go ahead and click on proceed to checkout and follow through the prompt, add your shipping details, and head over to payment method, enter your payment method, and this is going to be it. The money is going to be deducted from your gift card. So that's pretty much how you can use Krispy Kreme. You can use gift card on Krispy Kreme application. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.